Hello guys, welcome back to the tutorial. Today's topic is math module. Python math module is defined as the most famous mathematical functions, which includes trigonometric functions, representation functions, logarithmic functions, etc. Furthermore, it also defines two mathematical constants, that is pi and Euler number. Pi. It is a well-known mathematical constant and defined as the relation of circumstances to the diameter of a circle. Its value is, I'll write it down here, value is equal to 3.141592653. Euler's number. It is defined as the base. It is defined as the base of the natural logarithmic, and its value is 2.7118281828459045, and its function is syntax is math.e. There are different math modules. We have math.log, math.log10. We'll discuss individually. Math.log. This method returns the natural algorithm of a given number. It is calculated to the base e. Calculated to base e. Let's check this out in our Jupyter notebook with an example. Let's open the Jupyter notebook and we are at math module. Okay, let's import math. Number is equal to 2e minus 7. Small value of x. Print log fabs of x, comma, base is, excuse me, math.log math.fabs number, comma, 10. This is our math log. So we are trying to find out the log. Let's execute this code and see what will be the outcome. This is our outcome of number. Right. This is math.log. Next, we have math.log10. This method returns base 10 algorithm of the given number and call the standard algorithm. Import math x is equal to 13, small value of x, print log 10 of x is, comma math dot log10 x. Before it was just log, now it was log10. Execute. So we have log10 is this is value what we have. Next one is math.exp. This method returns a floating point number after raising e to the given number. Let's see. Let's import math. Number is equal to 5e minus 2. Again, small value of x. Print print the given number of x is number. Print e of x using exp function is math.exp number minus 1. Now execute the code. We have the given value of x is 0.05 and the x function is this one exp. Right. Next, move to math dot for x comma y. This method returns the power of x corresponding to the value of y. If value of x is negative or y is not integer value, then it raises a value error. Let's check this out. Import math number is equal to math dot for 10 comma 2. Print the power of number is number. Let's execute this. The power of number is 10. Power of 10 is 100. What if I change to 3 and we have 1000? 10 into 10 into 10, right? It works in that way. Next topic, math.floor. Math.floor. This method returns the floor value of x. It returns the less than or equal value to x. Let's import math number is equal to math dot floor 10.25201. Print the floor value is comma number. Let's execute this. We have the floor value is 10, right? The next one is next module math or seal of x, right? This method returns the seal value of x. It returns the greater than or equal value to x. All right, let's import math function number is equal to math dot c 10 10 comma 25 201, print the floor value is number. Let's execute this. CEIL floor value is also C takes exactly one argument to given. Sorry, this is not dot, this is comma, this is dot. The floor value is 11. Now math.fabs x. This method returns the absolute value of x. Let's check this out. Import math number is equal to math.fabs 10.001 print floor absolute is comma number. Let's execute this. So we have a math fabs value. Now the next one is math.factorial. This method returns the factorial of the given number x. If x is not integer, it raises a value error. Let's check this out. Import math number is equal to math.factorial of 7 print factorial of number comma number. Let's print this out. The factorial of 7 is 5044. Next module of math function is math.modf x. This method returns the factorial and integer parts of x. It carries the sign of x is float, right? Let's import math number is equal to math.modf 44.5 print the modf of number comma number. Let's print the modf of number is 0.5 44.0, right? So Python provides the several math modules which can perform the complex task in single line of code. In this tutorial, we have discussed a few important math modules. There are many math modules which are similar to this. You can practice it and you will understand the things. These are the very important math modules which we have discussed today. Hope you guys have enjoyed my session. If you have any doubts, feel free to contact me. All right, see you in the next session. Take care. Bye bye.